One of the things we love here the most at JackBord is making the JackBord better. And one way we do this is by updating its software. So in this video, we're going to learn how to update your JackBord. But before you start, you need to make sure that the JackBord is fully charged, that you have a reliable internet connection, and that you've disconnected any external things like motors or sensors, etc. When you're on the command page and you turn the JackBord on, it will show you the current version of the software that it's running. In this case, it's version 5.0.11. To update the JackBord, we're going to use the upjb command. At the command prompt, type upjb and press enter. This will start the update process. Make sure that you don't turn off the power to the JackBord while it's updating, and the process will take about a minute or so, after which it will come back and tell you that the update is complete. Now the firmware has been updated and the JackBord is rebooting. Once it's rebooted, you'll see that it will show you the new version of the firmware that it's running. In this case, it's version 5.0.12. Now that we've updated the JackBord's firmware, we can update that of the brain. To do this, type the upbrain command at the command prompt and press enter. This will start the brain's update process, and once again, don't turn the JackBord off while the brain's firmware is updating. The process will usually take about a minute or two. Once the process is done, you will see a message telling you that the brain update is completed. Now both your JackBord and your brain are completely updated. You can find out the current version of software that the JackBord is running using the vs command, which means view status. At the command line, type vs and press enter. This will bring up the current status of the JackBord. The first arrow is pointing to the version of software running on the JackBord, and the second arrow is pointing to the version of software that's running on the brain. For more information, you can visit us at www.jackbord.org.